Hop into the 2020 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This crisply styled Range Rover Evoque delivers solid versatility, lively performance, and tasteful design. Be prepared to relax and enjoy every journey in modern luxury, underpinned by engineering excellence in this inspired subcompact SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, backup camera, fog lamps. Rediscover the pleasure of the drive in this beautifully crafted Range Rover Evoque. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.